Indian Orthodontic Society members of Tripura Indian Dental Association ni Khlaijakha sakthar mungbai Koktisal Phungo Ujjayanta place Bwskang ni Simi Khlaijakha Orthodontic awareness rally Rally no chengsawirika hastini montri okra Dr. Manik Saha Shikango hasteo khoroksafano orthodontic gurei Abuni bagai Guwahati tu Bwskangmani Khoroksa Orthodontic Phiaba tabuk hasteo Khorangni khoroktam orthodontic tongo hani shaka hastini montri okra Dr. Manik Saha
Dental Association Tripura State Branch that they have invited me to my home again to celebrate this orthodontic awareness rally. I'm very glad that people from outside they have come here from a long distance. I will thank them that you have come here all the way to Agartala. Actually, you know, this dental surgery, there are so many branches, and out of this, there is one branch that is called orthodontic or orthodontic discipline. What is orthodontic? If there is, ortho means straightening. If there is abnormality in the alignment of the teeth, so in this discipline people or the specialist in this branch, they make it straight. So always they make it straight. If it is not in the thread, they bring it into the thread. So for that only, for this awareness among the people of Tripura, they have come here, and for that I appreciate the effort by the IDA Tripura State Branch and Orthodontic Society. Previously we did not have any orthodontist in Tripura. I brought one orthodontist from Guwahati. He started this treatment here, and after that now we had about 2 or 3 orthodontists in Tripura in this particular branch. So now they are doing very good job. Now the treatment endeavor is also changed. New invention has come into the scene. So they are providing service to the people, and we are very happy. Previously, what happened before I bring the doctor from Guwahati, they used to go to outside. Along with them, the guardians also used to go. What happened at the early age, it has to be treated. The best age is between 9 to 12 years, like that. So they are these patients are child. So along with the child, guardians also ought to go. So naturally, huge amount of money have to spend. So in that case, now our these orthodontists are available here. They can treat, and people need not go to outside. So gradually in dentistry, all sort of disciplines, people, specialists are coming. So in future, I am sure that is because I am health minister also. I'm looking after this department. So in future, of course, there is question always from your side. My colleagues who is having this camera in front of me, they used to tell me when our dental college will be going to start it. So that I am addressing, and I'm sure that in future we will make it and we'll set up. I always again congratulate all the efforts being done by the IDA and Orthodontic Society, and I'm thankful to IDA State Branch that they have invited. Thank you very much.
Welcome Dr. Apamdev, Vice President of IDA Tripura State Branch, to this great event.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.